cool is this? Nothing to see here. For us, Independence Day weekend has typically been a weekend to recreate, to get out, maybe even go wheeling, maybe go camping. Today's video is actually brought to you by Jay. He's our press brake operator, and I've got to just state this once. Most of this channel has been crowdsourced from cell phones from team members, and Austin has done some editing. Some of the videos you've seen have come from Nick, some of them myself, this one from Jay. This is last year's 4th of July trip over the Rimrocker Trail, and if you haven't heard of that, it's about 160 miles of mostly dirt roads, and some fun sections, some scenic views, some valleys, some canyons, a lot of trees, beautiful scenery. It's an adventure, and it connects Moab, Utah to Montrose, Colorado, two epic rock crawling destinations that you probably have heard of already. And if you're thinking about coming out here, I'd recommend coming out here soon, because it does look like things are changing a little bit. And I'll ask you to stay tuned to the end of the video here to hear a little bit more. But we want to see places like this stay open. And I've always heard that if you tread lightly and recreate responsibly and leave places better than you found it, that they'll stay open. And that is potentially partially true. Part of it, though, is you got to make your voice heard. There's a lot of things changing in Utah and Colorado right now when it comes to dispersed camping and what trails are open. And I always hope that this is one that you and future generations, if you haven't been yet, can go enjoy, go see, and go camp on. Anyways, without any further ado, here is last year's Rimrocker Trail Independence Day adventure. Well, we are here in Moab on Saturday at 4th of July weekend. It's July 1st. Usually that means we're going to go wheeling somewhere in Utah. Kind of not. We're going to go hit up the Rimrocker Trail that will take us all the way to Montrose. A lot of people run it the other direction, but we figured we'd start furthest from home and then work our way back to Colorado. Got a good group. We've never done this trail before. We have no idea what we're in for, and we're hoping to camp. Brought Casey's JT. Jay's got his Bronco. Justin brought the 4Runner. We got some friends in their JLs here. Should be a good time. It's so green. God damn it. What do you have to say for yourself?
Love you. I didn't.
I'll just drive us into a bush.
Take you out in a tree.
You're driving a 6,000-pound vehicle.
And everyone is fine.
Yeah, they slept through it. Sort of like you did while you're driving.
No. That's a way. Not paying attention. There's a difference.
Stop looking over here. Your eyes on the road. There's a bump right there. So this is camp for the night. I didn't pick it out. Casey did. It's pretty awesome. Got room for everybody and came with a view. You know, in the kitchen. Paradox Valley. And in the distance, which I can see better with my eyes than the phone, the San Juan Mountains. It's awesome. Too cool.
Next Venture Sports to the rescue.
Train it up a little bit. Hold on. Well, let me back up a little bit. Hold on. Let me free spool you.
Watch out, Apache. Patchy, come here. Patchy. Apache, move. West to the rescue.
bites. Well, that's a smile if I ever saw one. Oh boy, Red. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you do want to get more involved and make sure that you are, treading lightly and also making sure that your voice is heard, head over to our friends at the Blue Ribbon Coalition. You can do some research, find out more, and see what you can do to keep places like this open and available for future generations of the public to access our lands. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the trail. And this is where we're camping. All right, so I've finally done it. I got Jay to leave his computer on my desk. It's outputting a video file that he's been working on for like a year from the Rimrocker, and we're gonna watch it now. As soon as it finishes exporting, you guys are gonna love it. Okay, some of you won't, that's okay. So, Red didn't get much action in the Team About Us video. This is Red. He's going camping with us today on the Rimrocker. He's really excited to try and steal somebody's bacon or their sandwich or their burger. That's really all he's here for.